Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Tracking your Temu package is simple and ensures you know exactly when to expect your delivery. So if you want to know how to track your Temu package, just follow these few simple steps. So let's get started. The first step you want to do is to log into your Temu account, and you can do that by opening the Temu app on your iOS or Android phone depending on which device you use, or in some cases if you're using your computer you can use your browser to access the Temu website. In this case I'm using my Android device, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the app, Temu app, and access it. Now after you access the app, make sure you sign in using your account credentials, and you can sign in by clicking on the middle profile icon in the bottom left and click on sign in and register, or you can automatically sign in using your Google account. After you sign in, go to my orders. It will be displayed here in your orders. You should be logged into your account so the options can appear. After that, tap on your profile icon and select my orders, and this section contains all recent purchases. After that, select the orders you want to track and find it and tap on it. After tapping on it, you'll see the details like the order status and the estimated delivery date. For the fourth and final step, view tracking informations. And to do that, just click on the track package button, and this will provide you with real-time updates on your package's location and delivery progress. Make sure you don't see make sure let's see here. If you don't see tracking updates, allow some time after placing your order for the information to be updated, and contact Temu customer care if there's a delay or issue with your package, and enable delivery notification to get updated directly to your phone or email. And that's it. These were some instructions and some information about how to track your Temu package. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.